Lisa here from Business in Heels, and I'm here with the lovely Katerina.
Hi, Lisa.
Who runs our Melbourne Inner East branch. And we're chatting tonight about how you make great connections, because of course this is something we're actively encouraging you guys all to do. So Katerina, you're fairly new to the business. You've been running it for a little while, but tell us a little bit about what great connections got you into the business.
Right, okay, thank you, Lisa. So I was actually out one night. I was at a book launch, and I bumped into my friend Kerry Nelson, who's the previous branch director, and we were just chit-chatting. And
as you do with Kerry.
Yeah,
she's lovely.
yeah. And I said to her, Kerry, I'm going to be in your area tomorrow. I'm looking at relocating, and I think we're going to be neighbours very soon. So Monday morning, Kerry rang me, and she just ran an idea. She said, Katerina, I just want to run an idea by you. And I thought, all right. So she spoke about the branch and the opportunity, and I thought, okay, let's have a coffee and have another chat. So, yeah, we had a coffee, and
see, coffee dates lead to places.
Coffee dates lead to a lot of places. So we had coffee, and I decided to take it on because I was not only, as most of you know, I'm about to publish a book. So it was not only an opportunity to actually use the opportunity to, you know, get to know people and do some advertising, but it's also been fantastic. It's only been 3-4 months, and through the branch and through Kerry, I've met a lot of people, and I've been catching up with a lot of people, and I've been doing coffee dates, which is the education that we're running here, and it's really helped me to build relationships and meet some great people that have become friends. Not only friends, but they're becoming part of the branch. So everything's organically evolving.
Yeah,
and
I think that's the nice thing about, you know, so from a Business in Heels event, and you can hear the noise in the background, so we're just about to go off to Bayside, but we thought we'd jump on earlier. But from a Business in Heels event, or any event, when you make those connections, you've got to go the next step and have the coffee date, because otherwise you never really get to know people, do you?
That's exactly right. So my background is, I was actually involved with BNI for 5 years, and we used to do a lot of get-togethers and coffees, and that's really how you get to know people. Yeah. And how you build trust by basically getting together, having the coffees or lunches, and connecting and helping each other out.
Yeah, and it's amazing how it builds. So, you know, you've already made some fantastic connections. So if you're at all located in the Melbourne Inner East area, which is Camberwell, Hawthorn, Kew, Balwyn, that sort of area, or even at Chapel Street and stuff, you'd love to have a coffee, wouldn't you?
Absolutely. So we're doing them very regularly, regular catch-ups. So I've been getting to know a lot of the ladies that are in my group, so which has been fantastic. But I'm going to start putting out posts and
and it's also not just about having coffee with Katerina. It's about having coffee with the other women in the group. So jump to the Facebook group, you know, put out a shout out if you're around and you're free for an hour or two and you want to catch up with people. Because really, the only way you're going to grow your business is to keep connecting with more people.
That's right. Connection. That's what it's about.
Yeah, absolutely. So, Katerina's put a number out there. If any of you feel like you're up for a coffee with her, give her a bell.
Fantastic. Thanks, Lisa.
That's all right. And we're off to have some fun at Bayside. So we've got our champagne. So having fun with purpose. See ya.